Welcome back again. Today we will study one of the most important part of our lines and angles topic. Today we will study about parallel lines. We already know what is parallel line is. Then also, again I am dictating what is parallel line. If two lines are such that if two lines are, you see they are line, they are having arrow in both the direction, that means these two are line. But if two lines are such that if they are extended also in both the direction, that means अगर इसको हम दोनों तरफ लंबा करेंगे तो if we extend both the line in both direction, they will not meet with one another. They are known as parallel lines. So here we have L and M, two parallel lines, and these two parallel lines are intersected by another line that is known as transversal. What is transversal? If a pair of parallel line is intersected by, see here, intersected. So if a pair of parallel line intersected by another line, that is known as a transversal. Okay, so what we have two parallel lines L and M, and it is intersected by another line that is known as transversal. Now what happens? Here you see so many angles are formed. Here you see total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 angles, 4 pairs of angles are formed. 4 pairs of angles are formed. Now, if these two lines are parallel and intersected by a transversal, then there is a twist. Then here so many kinds of angles, so many types of angles are formed. In our last class we have discussed about acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, these things. Other than that, today we will come to know so many few new types of angles. Now let us know. First one is corresponding angle. Now which are corresponding angle? See here I want to since we are Bengali, so I want to give the meaning of this corresponding. The corresponding means onurup. Onu means same, rup means looks. Same look like angle. Here you see there are 2 points of intersection. Here is a point of intersection, here is a point of intersection. Now look at the angle 1 and angle 5. How can you find the similarities between them? This is also right side top, this is also right side top. You see 2 and 6, left side top. So they looks like same because it is right side top, it is right side top. It is left side top, it is left side top. So they are known as, corresponding angle. 4 and 8, similarly 3 and 7. And if these two lines are parallel, then these corresponding angles will be equal. So we can write angle 1 equals to angle 5, angle 2 equals to angle 6, angle 4 equals to angle 8, angle 3 equals to angle 7. They are known as corresponding angle. Okay. Now we are coming to second type of angle, that is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite. Kuna kuni ulto. Vertically means vertex. Opposite means opposite of the vertex. There are two vertex, you see. Two vertex, so 2 point of intersection. And which are the opposite? You see 1 and 3 opposite, 2 and 4, 5 and 7, 6 and 8. They are known as vertically opposite angle. And the vertically opposite angles are also equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. If two lines intersected, vertically opposite angles are always equal. For equal of vertically opposite angle, these two lines are even not a parallel, not required that it should be parallel line. Without parallel line also, the vertically opposite angles can be equal. So we can write 1 equals to 3, then 2 equals to 4, then 5 equals to 7, then 6 equals to 8. So this is another new type of angle, that is vertically opposite angle. Now number 3, alternate interior angle. Which are alternate interior angle? Now interior, first let us know the meaning of interior. What is interior angle? Look, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, they are the interior angle. 1, 2, 7, 8. They are the exterior angle. So why they are interior? Because they are the inside of the figure. And 1, 2, 7, 8, they are the outside of the figure, so they are exterior angle. Now alternate means alternate, like like which kind of figure forms Z, like Z, alternate, not in same side. One means this is one side to that another angle of another side. So you see, alternate even and interior. So angle 4 is alternate of angle 6. Angle 3 is alternate of angle 5. Only alternate interior angle. This is alternate interior angle. Now coming to same alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Which are the alternate exterior angle? So before starting alternate interior, I said about interior angle. Now let us know which are the exterior. 1, 2, 7, 8. They are the outside of the figure, so they are exterior. Similarly alternate, so 1 will be alternate of 7. So alternate exterior angles are also equal. Always remember, these angles will be equal if these two lines are parallel. Without L parallel to M, these angles cannot be equal. Angle 2 equals to angle 8. So this is alternate exterior angle. So till now we have discussed corresponding angle, vertically opposite angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle. These, other than vertically opposite angle, these three types of angles will be equal if L parallel M. Always remember that. Now we will discuss another more new type of angle. Co-interior angle, co-exterior angle. Now earlier one was alternate interior, means opposite sides. 4 and 6 are alternate interior, 3 and 5 alternate interior. Now co-interior. Which are the co-interior angles? First of all, you remember that it is interior. We are talking about the interior angle. So interior means we are now talking about 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which are the co-interior? Angles on the same, the interior angles on the same side of transversal. This is the transversal. Angles on the same side of transversal. Same side of transversal means 4 and 5. You see 4 and 5, these two are on the same side of transversal. So which are the co-interior angles? Angle 4 and angle 5. What happens here? They will not be equal like earlier one. Co-interior angles will not be equal like earlier angles we have discussed. What happens here? Here their sums will be 180 degree. 4 plus angle 5 will be 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 6 will be 180 degree, but in one condition, that is these two lines must be parallel. If sum is not 180 degree, it means that these two lines also not parallel. So their sum, co-interior angles, that is 4 and 5, their sum will be 180 if these two lines are parallel. Coming to the next, co-exterior angle. Co-exterior angles, that is similarly exterior, that is 1 to 7, 8. Similarly, co-exterior, matlab on the same side of the exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Exterior angles on the same side of transversal. This is the transversal on the exterior angles on the same side. So 1 and 8. Here also 1 plus 8 will be 180 degree. 2 plus 7 will be 180 degree. Always remember, again I am again and again telling you, that is, this sum will be 180 if these two lines are parallel. So this is all about the angles when these two lines are parallel, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. One more angle is there that already we have discussed, we will not discuss more here. Linear pair, we have discussed already earlier also, linear pair. Here you see that there are lots of linear pair. See, it's a line. Linear pair, what we have already discussed. Sum of two angles will be 180 degree on the line. On the line. Line means two angles on a line. You see, L is a line, so 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 180 degree. Similarly, lots of, you see, 2 plus 3 also 180 degree. This is also a line. 3 plus 4 also 180 degree. Right? 4 plus 1 will be 180 degree. So there are lots of linear pair. Here also similarly. So linear pair means sum of two angles on a line. So this is a line. So 1 plus 2 180 degree, 3 plus 4 180 degree. For this line, 1 plus 4 180 degree, 2 plus 3 also 180 degree. So linear pair, similarly here also we will find 4 pairs of linear pair angles in another point of intersection. So this is all about the different kinds of angles formed when a pair of parallel line intersected by a transversal. This is very important, because these things are basic things of the geometry, and these things will be widely used while doing so many sums. So you need to be careful, you need to understand, and you need to also remember all these type of angle. Thank you. And if you don't understand, please write me, I will discuss again.